So let me just start the live Facebook, then I'll ask Payal to start. We'll request all the guests to please keep yourself muted. Just give me a moment. Huh? So some issue with the Facebook Live. It's not happening. So Payal, we can start.
You are on mute, Payal.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Good afternoon. I am Payal, a proud cafe member, and it's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to one and all for this event. Your presence here makes us happy and delightful. As we know, we should invest our energy into something that is going to contribute to our growth, and that is what Priya and Kavita have motivated us to do during this pandemic. Each one of us here today will speak in English and show the amount of confidence we have built in ourselves within this past 3 months of our journey. Now I would like to introduce welcome our mentors, Priya and Kavita. They have made learning so much fun and enjoyable and have given us the opportunity in this time of disguise to outgrow and show ourselves what we are capable of, and also to show us that learning has no age limits. Last but not the least, I would like to introduce and welcome all my members of English Winglish batch. A big shout out and kudos to all the members who have completed their journey with so much of enthusiasm and perseverance in doing this course with so much of zeal and hard work. Now I would like cordially invite Rekha to continue and give the introduction of this English Winglish batch. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Payal. We began this beautiful journey of English Winglish 3 months ago, and today we have reached the grand finale. English has become the most recognized language throughout the world, so it is important to have a brief understanding of the same. It seems from a perspective we aren't quite different from Bunny in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. He always said one thing, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता. And I think none of us ever wanted to stop, but somewhere along the line, life happened. But thanks to Kavita and Priya, that we were able to resume our journey with even more confidence in English language than before. Our educators always put their best effort to guide and help us in improving our English speaking skill along with grammar. It is very important to enhance the confidence level of the students by patiently listening to their mistakes and rectifying them. We were always made to feel comfortable in the learning environment. Now I would like to invite Minal Sanghvi to introduce our beloved mentor Priya Jalan.
Thank you, Rekha. Hello, friends. Good afternoon. Myself, Meenal Sanghvi, member of English Winglish class. Let me introduce you to a person without whom this whole journey would not have been possible. She is Priya Jalanji. She is our cafe mentor and a founder at Priya Jalan English Academy and a co-founder at Cozy Dental. She is specialized in corporate trainer for communication, IELTS trainer, and she is art of living teacher and well-known blogger and writer by hobby. Priyaji is not only our teacher, mentor, and guide, but after these 3 months, we have become one family. Because of her hard work and dedication, today we are here speaking confidently in English in front of all you. She taught us grammar part with so much patience, which help us to form sentences. She is more friend to us than the teacher. She is very calm, soft-spoken, and always smiling. Never gets irritated by our questions. She never gives up till we understand. She gave us one of the most important tips to improve our English is to read and speak regularly in English and listen whenever you can. We love you, Priyaji. We will never forget you. Thank you for everything. Lastly, I cannot stop myself to say something about the person who is behind all this and give us so much support to bring our confidence back and supported us to bring out our hidden talent, the one and only Kavita ji. We have a huge respect for you, dear. You are our star. We love you. Thank you so much. And I request Rita Bhayani ji to introduce our members. Thank you.
Thank you, Minal. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Rita Bhayani, a proud cafe member and a member of English Winglish Batch 2 also. Today, I am going to introduce all my co-members. We are in total 7 beautiful ladies in the batch. Every member is very different than the other, having their own unique qualities. Not taking too much of your time, I would request the member to do a wave or a hi when I introduce to them. To start with Madhuri Saraf. She is very attentive and as sweet as she bakes a cake. Next comes Lata Saraugi. A very responsible person and now he is very beautiful and bubbly Minal Sanghvi. She is very sincere and active in class. Very passionate about her singing. And her ready mixed dry gravy is yummy-licious. Very nice. Next comes Mamta Saria. Very and the one who has got the quality of leadership and very confident is Payal Goenka. Anju Agarwal, a very polite and sweet lady. Babita ji, a very hard-working lady I have ever seen. She had improved so much in class, no one else. Improved much after joining the class. Sudha Kishanpuria, a wonderful lady. Rupa Pachuria, she is good with bakery accessories and only too. Rajsri Agarwal, she has been committed to her family and children. Meena Jain, she is the senior most in our group and very active and cheerful lady and sweet too. Sunita Garg, the lady passionate about her dream of singing and dancing. And next comes simple and polite lady Rekha Khaitan. And Shoma Saraf, a good listener and attentive lady. And last but not the least, the fun-loving and cheerful lady of our group, Aditi Agarwal, who will now be taking in from here. Thank you.
Thank you, Rita. Thank you, Rita. Hi, I am Proud Cafe member Aditi. Pleasure to be a part of the class and grow. So here I am asking some questions to my lovely classmates. So firstly, I would like to welcome Madhuri here to share the importance. Why English is important.
Hello, I am Madhuri Saraf. Why English is important? These questions bring many thoughts in our mind. English is most commonly used language in the world. So, to communicate with the world, we should know English. We should know English other than regional language or our mother tongue. Because nowadays, English is first language in our syllabus. To teach our children, we should know English. To knowing English boosts up our self-confidence. Many Zoom classes, webinars, and business meetings all are done nowadays in English. So to up-to-date ourselves, we should speak in English. And we can communicate our thoughts to others if we know English. For me, English is important because if anyone asks question with me in English, I want to answer it in English properly and with confidence. Nowadays, my confidence is rising very much. Thank you, Kavita and Priya, for making me for this level and giving me the knowledge of this beautiful language, English. Thank you.
Lovely, lovely answer. So now presenting Lata. Hi Lata, do you think you missed an opportunity due to lack of confidence in English?
No, I don't think so. I am a chartered accountant and I am working in diamond jewelry business for last 17 years. So English has been a language in India. It is not like that in other countries where national language is given utmost importance. So whatever I am saying, that is my viewpoint. I realized that you should speak confidently in English or in Hindi. If you are not able to communicate properly, fluently, then other person gets a bad impression about you. So I think you should speak confidently, whether in English or in Hindi. I'm working with my husband. I am taking care of many things in my husband's business. I have to take care of finance, investments, auditing part, and income tax matters. So I have to communicate with many people. They may be the topmost authority in any company or they may be the ground level staff. So what matters most is you should be able to communicate yourself confidently and and you should have a belief that you have the authority to get your work done by other people. So in this way, I'm always able to get my work done by others. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now, so now in our spot, Anjuji.
Anju Bhabi, you need to unmute first.
Hello everyone, I am Anju Agarwal. My question is, how helps English improving?
Yeah. What helps?
What helps?
Anjuji, what helps in improving English?
What helps improving English? Practice makes a woman perfect. Similarly, English cannot be learned in a single day. It needs to be practiced continuously. English is not just reading or writing. I want to tell all of you a few things that might help in improving our English. These are few steps. First, we should start speaking in English with everybody. When we talk to ourselves and think, we should frame sentences in English. We should try and understand English movies with easy accent. Start writing all our daily work and in English and develop a habit. If we follow all the above, like the old saying from Namak Halal, said by Amitabh Bachchan, all of us will be able to walk English, talk English, and laugh English. Let us all improve English together and remember all our teachings from these classes. Thank you, Kavita ji and Priya ji. Thank you.
Excellent. Now, I call upon talented Sudha ji.
Sudhadi, please unmute first.
Hello everybody, I am Sudha Kishanpuria.
Sudha ji, do you think knowledge of grammar is important for spoken English?
Yeah, grammar. I think knowledge of grammar is essential part of English language. In fact, any language. Grammar is the heart of language. Grammar is the heart of language. Grammar is the sound system and sound structure and meaning system of language. All language has its own grammar. It shows the basic knowledge of grammar. If a person speaks in English but his grammar is wrong, it gives bad impression of that person. If a person speaks fluently English but his grammar is wrong, he gives bad impression of that person. If we speak less, but grammar is if we speak less, language. If we speak less, it should be proper use of language. So I think knowledge of grammar is very essential. Thank you.
Thank you, Sudha. So girls, stay tuned. Our Rupa ji, now I am calling Rupa ji.
Hello everyone.
So Rupa ji will guide us how English classes helped you.
Hello everyone, I am Rupa Bajoria. Before I joining English class, I did not know that I could learn English. I am a shop owner. In that case, English is very important for me because some customers speak in English. I understand what they are saying, but I have a lack of confidence that I cannot speak in English. But after joining the class, I have little bit of confidence that I can speak in English. Thank you, Priya ji, and thank you, Kavita ji, for this platform. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you all. So now I request lovely Babita to take next sets of questions.
Babita di, please unmute first. Yes.
Thanks, Aditi. I am taking it forward from here.
So my first question is to Meena ji. Who according to you has improved the most?
I am Meena Jain. I am a researcher in the field of nutrition, child development, and interrelationship. In simple way, I am a homemaker. No doubt that many of us have become fluent in English. Like Payal, she became so fluent in English. I remember her way of speaking in last batch, and she look at her. She is so wonderful. And Babita ji, I remember you also. You were so shy to say a single word, but now we have to clap to you.
Thank you.
But I feel I have improved much more than earlier. Earlier, the fear of making mistakes made me hesitant in speaking English. But now I am confident enough to converse in English. Like now, although I do mistakes, I do make mistakes. So thank you to Kavita and Priya.
Thank you, Meena ji. Now Sunita say, what will you miss most about the classes?
Hello. Hello.
See.
आवाज आ रही है?
Yes.
Oh, hello. Hello everyone. I will miss a lot about the class. Interacting with so many people together will be one of them. I will miss the every Friday excitement to get ready for the class to learn new things in English. Thank you so much. Yeah, ma'am and Kavita ji.
Thank you, Sunita.
Welcome. Welcome, Kavita.
Now polite lady Rekha.
Hi everybody. Ask question.
Any suggestion for next batch?
Yeah, I have many suggestions that its class period should be extended. That it was for 3 months. It should be extended little more. And secondly, 90% attendance should be compulsory. So we take it seriously. Thirdly, more time should be given to grammar portion, so that we do grammar more. And last, some oral tests should be taken, so that all of them take it seriously. And lastly, I thank Kavita ji and Priya ji. And that's all.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
So now I ask Kasma di, do you feel any different today?
Shamaji, you are on mute. You have to unmute yourself first.
Yes, you can speak now.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Myself, Chama. After doing so many classes, I am feeling a drastic change in myself, and I am very much clear about my grammatical mistakes, in which I am trying to take command. I usually stand in front of my mirror and speak 1 or 2 sentences loudly to know where my pronunciation went wrong. I've started reading newspaper and magazines, and now I've started talking to my kids in English in my free time. I think that how can I speak a sentence in English? I would like to thank Priya for helping us with our worst English. I would like to say that You are a very humble and a person with quite a good patience. I would also like to thank Kavita for making me a part of this wonderful session and for letting me know such wonderful people. Thank you. Thank you.
How did you find everyone's performance today? Unmute.
Whom are you asking?
Unmute. First you.
Shamari, please unmute. Yes.
Yes, today's session was quite exciting. First of all, I was quite nervous of how I would sound in front of others. Would I stammer or would I have get up, insulting myself? But I think everything went more than well. My expectations and everyone's speech was mesmerizing, outstanding. Thank you very much.
Excellent. So Mamta, take it forward from here. Vote of thanks.
Okay, Babita ji, thank you. As we come to the end of the program, I, Mamta Sexavia, extend my vote of thanks to all the guests to give their precious time for this finale. Your presence has made this all more special for the 17 of us who graduated with English speaking skills today. Myself, Mamta, proud member of CAFE, founded by my own little sis, thanks to all my colleagues in this batch for each moment we shared, the tips, the talent we shared, all the fun, all the chit chat during the class, those reminding of school days. Thanks to Priya, without you, this English class was impossible. You are amazing. Your way of teaching, your patience has stopped to you, Priya. Lastly, most important, Kavi, thanks to you. Without you, it's impossible. You give us all the middle-aged girls, young from the heart, with a dream of speaking fluent English, a small opportunity to fulfill their dreams. Thank you, both of you, Priya and Kavi. Thank you.
Wow, what a program. Superb.
Superb.
Members, you make us proud. Please take a bow and let's have a clap for each of you. I will now request Priya to please speak a few words.
Thank you, Kavita ji. Oh my God, girls, you have made me so proud today. It was seamless. I mean, the way everybody executed, and I was like, what is happening? As if you guys have prepared for it so many times. It was absolutely mesmerizing. It was seamless. And yes, Chamaji, you spoke so well. I was so proud of you, you know, when you were speaking and you said, maybe I'll stammer, maybe I'll do this, but no, you were fantastic. And Sudhaji talked about grammar, right? Yes, you know, we all think that for speaking English, grammar is very important, but not exactly. You need a basics. That's it. You need a very, some amount of grammar, which is important. But more than that, you need confidence. So the way Lataji said, I really liked it when she said, you know, confidence is something which I feel is more important, because when you communicate, it is your confidence that speaks up, right? So why do we need to learn English? Because we don't want you to feel less confident when you are speaking in a group of people when everybody is speaking English. Suppose you go to a child's school and you have to communicate in English with the teacher. You may not as well, but you know, in India, we are still with that mentality. We are not giving enough importance to our national language. And yes, it is a fact that in today's world, English has been given a pedigree that in social circle, in business circle, it has become the mode of communication. So, you know, Lataji, I was so proud of you when you said, no, confidence is what I wear and not English. Wow. And, you know, hence still we learn it. We learn it. Why? Because that is what I'm trying to say here, that confidence. Feel confident in communicating. It's just a language. You can learn it. The way we learn so many things. It's just a skill that, you know, we need to learn. And I'm so proud that everybody, you know, I have seen each one of you grow. And, you know, the fact that it's going to come to an end, I mean, it's not. So Kavita ji is going to say more about that. But I just want to say that as women, we already, are pillars of strength, isn't it? Like every woman is a embodiment of strength. And for me to be able to be a pillar of strength for all of you and to be able to contribute was so much empowering. I mean, I got empowered in the process of empowering you all. And I can confidently say now that we are no more a batch, we are like a family. I think hats off to Kavita ji for that it's not a platform, it is an extended family. I know today for a fact that if I call any one of my, peers here, they will receive me with a lot of love. And so will I for them, right? And that is how many of us can really say that? As women, taking care of family is something which we have been doing for aeons. But taking care of an extended family, making an extended family, contributing there, actively receiving from there is something which I have learned from our English batch. And I think the entire, this idea and the thank you goes to Kavita ji for being that visionary to provide us with this close-knit family, this community wherein we can share and actively learn from each other. And I would just want to end by saying that I cannot be more proud. I'm so proud of each of you, and I'm available, anytime, every time. I'm here for you all. So you can just give me a call anytime, which you all know. And I have been doing that, I have been calling people to ask for recipes and whatnot, right? So I'm available here, girls, anytime, every time. And thank you so much for being there and making me learn in the process so much. Thank you. Over to you, Kavita ji.
Priya, I think you made everything possible. And look at the girls, the middle-aged girls, as mentioned by Mamta. What confidence and what speeches. So everything has been done by them themselves. And this was the first time when we met and, we did this together. Before that, we could not do it. There was no practice. So hats off to everybody. And as we saw a few Hindi movie dialogues today, so ek main bhi marungi abhi. Picture abhi baki hai. So let's move on to some awards and appreciations, which Priya and me have designed for you all. So let me just share my screen first.
You're going to love it. It looks so grand. The certificates are looking amazing. So Kavita is going to share it.
Is it visible?
Yes. Wow.
Okay. So we have a few awards and appreciations for our lovely members of the batch 2, and this is based on your attendance, your dedication, your performance, your improvement, and overall your willingness to learn. So presenting the first one, this one is for Anju Bhabi. So let me find her and spotlight her. So Priya, I would like you to say a few lines about her.
Anju ji has been always the most sincere. She would ask questions. Though she was not somebody whom you would see a lot, but she was very sincere. You know it by the questions that she had asked. You know that she has been, silent and attentive is the word for Anju ji. Hats off to her.
Yes, and she is not missed a single class. She was always there, always.
Full attendance.
Full attendance. Next is my elder sister. So let me spotlight her. Priya.
Mamta ji is, one such person whom you can go for anything and everything. And she would take initiative. She would make the class laugh. She's one of the most sincere student again. And yes, that's why active. So definitely she's one of those very active people. You can just go to her for anything, She's the go-to person. Definitely.
Absolutely. Yes.
Kavita ji, I would like you to speak for Babita ji.
Okay, let me first spotlight her. Yes, so Babita Di is from Odisha, and today also when she spoke, most of you must have realized that her pronunciation is different from how we speak. But that takes guts, to come out in public and speak like that. So Babita Di has got the most improved student award, and I guess no one else deserves it more than her. We all agree to it, I'm sure. And we going forward, Babita Di, we want to see more and more improvement in you, more and more. Your pronunciation should be as good and as perfect as any other member of English batch. And it will happen very, very soon. Babita Di, you can unmute if you want to say something. Yes.
I want to say something. Thank you, Priya and Kavita, first to join me this class. Today, I share my experience. Before join the session, I scared and very nervous. But I start my first class where Kavita is said, no hesitation. So I remember it.
Very nice, so, Babita Di. We all, we all crib that we are from Hindi medium school. But imagine
Yes.
you are from Odia medium school.
Yeah.
So much of difficulties you must have faced. But hats off to you to come till here, and you will go far from here now.
And even when Babita ji was ill or she had an anniversary, 25th anniversary, she did class.
25th anniversary also she did not miss the class. So it actually gives us also inspiration and motivation that yes, we must be doing something which is making a difference to their lives. That is why on her own 25th anniversary day, she was there in the class. Thank you, Babita Di. Next we have, where is she? So, Aditi, let me spotlight you. Can we see your smiling face?
Yeah.
So the
Aditi,
most...
You got this award.
Yeah, thank you.
So Aditi, thank you for keeping us cheerful during the sessions.
Thank you so much.
It actually helps. So Priya, over to you.
Yes, I think Aditi ji was one of those people who always burst out into laughing. Even when we gave her a topic and she was about to speak, we knew that 2 minutes of laughing is essential. After that, we will be able to conduct the class. And it was so good, the spirit that each one of us have, especially Aditi ji with her laughter and cheerfulness. It was wow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next we have Payal. Priya.
Yes. So Payal ji wanted to speak all the time. So we will have to say sometimes that, let others also speak. Let us just be fair here. And Payal ji, the improvement that you have had is amazing. I think Payal ji is one of those people that I feel she will be as good as anyone on earth. Payal ji, way to go for you. I think you just need to be a little more dedicated to become as good as, anyone. You can just be just anyone because you have it in you. And I've seen such steep growth in your entire performance. Keep it up. Super.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Priya and Kavita. Without you both, it would have not been possible for me. I remember the first class which I have attended with Kavita for LED, Lead Your Dreams. There, Kavita have told me to introduce myself, standing in front of all the middle-aged girls, like Mamta said. So the way I stood and the way I spoke, I mixed a lot of Hindi in that. So that time I remember Kavita told me, speak in one language, either Hindi or either English, but don't mix two languages. So that's why we got I was very much happy to very much happy when I I was informed that these classes are going to be held. So now I can see improvement in myself, that I speak completely in one language. I don't mix Hindi and English, and this has been my improvement. And I will thank you both, Kavita and Priya, for this. And I remember this, what Kavita has told me, the first line she told me, not to mix both the two languages. Either you say in Hindi, either you say in English, but be confident when you say. So thank you to both of you. You both are a gem of a person. Thank you.
Wow, Payal, what a speech. See, this was unprepared, no? And
Yeah,
this
this
wonderfully.
Told you all, she's the most interactive one.
Yes.
Yeah, I just wanted to share, in every class I used to speak, so someone has to matlab, Priya and Kavita has to tell me, Payal, please wait, let others speak, let others speak. Otherwise, I'm not such a type of talkative person. But whenever I used to go in this class, the ambience and this all were so comfortable. We used to feel like a home. So मतलब वो मन करता था कि बोलते रहे, बोलते रहे, बोलते रहे.
Payal, that's why they have given you to the first chance to speak. Then other let's speak.
So thank you so
Thank you,
much,
thank you.
girls. There are a few more left. So yes, Priya.
Where is Rita ji? I want to see her.
Yeah, let me spotlight.
Yes. So Rita ji is one person, who will ask questions and who will also answer them. So I remember specifically in grammar, I was so taken aback by the fact that she came up with a lot of questions, lot of inquisitiveness, and the fact that she did most of them correct also without, a lot of help. And I think Rita ji is an inspiration in herself. She's always cheerful. She has a very good spirit. And way to go for Rita ji.
Yes, so most dedicated student, Rita ji.
Thank you very much. Thank you to both of you. Thank you.
And we have a tie here. We have Meenal ji also as the most dedicated student award. So both of them never missed a single session, always there with their videos on, and answering questions, doing grammar, doing homework, everything, calling up. Absolutely fantastic, inspirational at this age. That spirit of learning is so lively in both of you. Like our children also feel like that. So hats off to both of you. Priya, over to you.
Thank you.
Let me highlight Meenal ji. Where is Meenal ji? Yeah.
Give me a second.
Yes.
Yes. So Meenal ji again, I think she was very, very dedicated. As Kavita ji said, all of that, homeworks, videos, being present in the class, looking forward to the class. Give me a second.
Yeah.
So thank you, both of you. I am really thankful to you. Without you both, it won't be possible. Thank you so much.
So the awards and appreciations are because of your hard work and dedication to each of you. It is because you all are deserving, and you actually made us feel ki yes, the classes are valuable.
Now every Friday we are free.
Meenal ji, we have something coming up.
Now
Just
every Friday
wait.
we miss.
Picture abhi baki, as I said.
Okay.
So thank you so much, Meenal ji.
So much. Thank you.
Yeah. So last but not the least, there is one more award coming up. I would like Priya to be here. So I'm just waiting for Priya. And when things normalize, we will have a grand celebration of English Winglish batch along with our Lead Your Dreams course members also. So a grand convocation where we will wear our graduation hats and all. So let's wait. Yeah, so Priya is here. So Priya, the last one, most hardworking student.
Yes, because Rekha ji used to do all her homework, and I think she was one of the first to post it also in the group.
Yes, and even when it was not required to write the full sentences, She was the only one to write the full sentences along with the answers.
She is like that only.
And always
you
the
so
first
much.
one
Every
to
time
answer.
do the
Every
homework first.
homework, waiting for homework, answering it very properly. She was definitely one of the most hardworking, definitely.
Thank you so much, Kavi. Thank you so much, Priya. Hats off to both of you. Really, सच्ची में आंसू आ गए आंख में आज
Don't do that, even I'll cry.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है अभी. So
one thing
Kavi,
I
you have
want
become
to
a role
say,
model for us. Like me, मतलब many of us, you have become a role model.
is
Really.
it? Wow.
Yeah. That is why I was able to take that responsibility.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So Rekha Di
Very
called
proud
me,
of
messaged me yesterday that she wants to continue the English WhatsApp group and keep it live and connected with each other so that you all can meet twice a month or something like that. So वो तो आप
But I need
कर सकते
support
हो.
of everybody.
But
But I need
we-
support of everybody.
But we have another announcement to make. So you have to wait.
I think the announcement will that we have third batch for the English class.
No, not now.
Any other guesses?
Any other guesses? Yes. Any other guesses from anybody? What is coming up?
Maybe
Something,
after
some special award for someone
We are-
special.
No, we are
Strategies
continuing
continue.
these sessions. We are continuing these sessions.
No.
Yes. Maybe after 1 month, like a summer holiday, we will get after Diwali.
Okay.
we
Okay.
will
So
again continue.
let us come to the announcement. So we are launching a book club, and this was suggested by Priya because this will be a step forward for all our English members to keep learning, as we all know that a book reader is always a leader. So you will grow in knowledge, in thoughts, and also the book helps you to improve your language in terms of grammar, in terms of new words and vocabulary and everything else. So we are introducing a book club, and once a month we will do the session wherein everybody who is in the book club will share their analysis of the book, what they learned from that book. We will have lots of games also during the month, which will be related to the book and of course English. And this club will be open to more members from Cafe, not just limited to English. So anybody from the Cafe group can join the book club. And Priya,
Yes.
from you, please.
I think, we have to really thank Kavita ji for this, to have our own cafe book club. Girls, it will be so interesting because I'm very passionate about books. So is Kavita ji and so is Lata ji and so many other people, right? And to have a meeting wherein all the book readers would share their ideas, would analyze a character, go deeper into why that character failed, why did we relate to that character so much, what was similarity. It will be more like a spiritual session, I tell you, more than book reading. It is so enjoyable to be in a book session.
Absolutely. And
I can't wait.
Priya, thank you for your suggestion of this club. We will also have leaders, book leaders every month. So you can give your name as a leader for that month. You will have to lead that book, all the sessions, whatever you need to plan around that book, you are free to do that. So that ways you will also have leadership qualities.
What I like best about our platform here is that we want every woman to grow, right? And Kavita ji came up with this brilliant and fantastic idea that why don't we allow each person, each member to lead the session, and that person will be responsible to dig deeper into the book, to take us through the entire journey. So we'll get interpretation of so many women, how they think about a book, how they want to lead a session. I mean, hats off to Kavita ji for thinking yet another chance, for giving all the women yet another chance to showcase their creativity, to get more opportunity for leadership, and super excited.
So we will start with this book, Priya.
Perfect.
Ikigai. And we will wait for your names to take up as the book leader for this month. So you can plan games, you can plan any other activity around this book as per, you know, your wish. You have to lead this book, and also the finale session of that book analysis. So one analysis over the Zoom for the book at the end of the month. Any excitement?
Yeah, I want to ask one question.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे दिमाग में इतना आइडिया आता कहाँ से है?
So this idea was Priya's, not mine. Actually, everybody.
Joint venture.
Good idea. Good idea.
Yes. It's a joint
Yes.
venture.
Like this finale also, we are excited also, nervous also, कि how we will present ourselves in front of other people from the cafe. Because
Yes.
from last 3 months, okay, 17 of us are doing chit chat. It's like a family, no problem. If you say wrong, right, doesn't matter. Because
Absolutely.
before 15 minutes, my heartbeats were like that. Oh my God, I have to give both of thanks.
But
Never
but Mamta, what you wished, na, we were not Facebook Live. you wanted na that we should not be Facebook Live. We were not. As soon as Kavita told we are not able, I am not able to put Facebook Live. I thought, oh, Mamta ji ka ख्वाहिश पूरा हो गया. Yeah, but I should say this book idea is really wonderful.
Good, yeah,
Very
very
good.
good.
Kavita, I wanted to ask, means if means the whole book will be done in one day, or how? Means if we become a leader of a book, then how to do?
In the month. So one book you need to finish in a month, and we will choose books which we are able to finish in a month. We will not choose, you know, like becoming Michelle Obama or something like that, which is not doable in a month.
So in a month, how many classes for a book?
Only one Zoom session. Rest all you
Okay.
can do it on WhatsApp and whichever way
Okay.
you all want.
Okay.
Just one Zoom session for full book analysis, and rest all will be on the WhatsApp group.
I think
So in the book analysis, we will have to say the summary of the whole book. What was the story and this? What
See,
we have
that is up to you. So whoever is the leader for that book, he can decide what will you analyze in that particular session. You can only analyze the characters, you can only analyze the storyline, you can only analyze the language, or just the theme, or just one takeaway from that book for each of you. So it is entirely on the leader how that person wants to take it ahead in her own style. So that will be like a variety for each of us also. And you can plan games and, you know, other puzzles around the book during the month on WhatsApp group. So we hope to get a lot of excitement and support for the book club as we got for the English sessions, and as we have.
Nice idea.
Thank you. This idea was by Priya, and thank you everybody for joining in, to all the guests for
Priya, you
taking
should
out
thank
time.
to us because you teach us na last 3 months your patience level has increased.
No, you guys are very sweet.
To
So
all
I
of
don't
you.
have anything to complain about.
You will feel alone.
This is
Priya.
vote of thanks from you
we
to
are
us.
we are thankful too, no? Ki Priya, we have increased
Yes.
her patience level.
We improve our patience level.
So thank you everybody for your time, to all the guests for taking out time, because your presence means a lot to all the English members. Thank you for this grand finale, and thank you for making it grand. Thank you everyone.
Kavi,
Close the
I
session.
would like to say one thing. Kavi,
Yes.
I would like to say this is such a wonderful platform you have given to
So,
them.
Suruchiri, I can't see you actually. Acha, haan, yes, I found you.
She's in pink.
I found you, yes.
Rupa Bajoria, she's from Bangladesh, you know. She speaks only, she was very weak in English. So I forced her to join this English class so that she will be, she would be updated with others. When people used to speak in English around us, she would feel left about it. But after joining English class, I can see that her moral is boosted up and she can speak
Absolutely. You
confidently.
saw her today.
Thank
Even
you.
I was
Thank you, Suchiki.
surprised. Even I was surprised.
Yeah, yeah,
अरे
Thank you,
यार हम लोग
Suchiki.
थे ना, for
I
me
post
देखा